Good night. My name is Johansson Solorzano. English Level 2. Stage 1. Ongoing a trip. Más live vacation. Last vacation and 2 weeks at Villavicencio. I stayed 5 days and 4 nights. I went with my girlfriend and my daughter, Maria Guadalupe. We traveled by car. The first day we eat a delicious lunch on the road and hatched dinner with fish and cheese. When we arrived at Villavicencio, it was already night. We had an space hotel, and the next day we went to pool. We enjoy the place, which are very nice because giving us light to the next days. The next 2 we visit Acacias. I bought gifts for my mom and dad and daddy. I paid an additional cost of 1,700,000 pesos. But like the poor were went to enjoy the weather and nature on Monday. I returned because on Wednesday. The next day. Stage 2. What's the weather like? The weather in the city of Villavicencio is what I visit. It's on my vacation. I went to the pool in the morning and it was very sunny. But in the afternoon, the rain and the water changed. It was very cool. I enjoy with my family by early in the morning. It ready again. The sky was in the very cool and the place had very pleasant climate. If the issue is sunny. Next. Recommendation to visit and city of Villavicencio. Villavicencio is a burger. Temperature 27 Celsius. Average. Villavicencio, la bella capital of the departamento of Metal, is the largest population, economy, administrative, and cultural. 1. It is recommendation to sunscreen. Is the recommendation to be replant. It is necessary to be with your vacations of today. It is necessary to bring and good hydration. It is a good hydrate to wear light clothes. It is important that you wear sunglasses. It is bad to report and the hair problem. It is necessary to carry the document and the try. Straight 3. To do KU passport. What people to do If you plan to go Villavicencio, plan to go to Restrepo. You should wear comfortable table clothes, and you should drink plenty to water so you could avoid getting sick and you table and taxi at night. What people choose to do, what you do not travel by plane because it is more expensive and you must not carry and large black path to travel